My name is Victor, and with this course we are starting a training program in aqua design. The company that I represent has been developing and manufacturing aqua structures since 2005. Bubble structures, waterfalls, interior LED structures. This is not a complete list of directions of our training program. This first course provides detailed step-by-step instructions for assembling a bubble column. This product is one of the easiest to manufacture and at the same time very impressive visually. Such a lamp can become a highlight of the interior, its main accent. The presence of water is always relevant and gives harmony to the home. Watching the chaotic movement of the illuminated bubbles is mesmerizing and creates a relaxing effect. The bubble column can be a practical substitute for an aquarium or fountain, as it requires little or no maintenance. Both adults and children will love such a lamp. This course can be a good gift for any person who loves to design, and of course for a teenager. Such a product can be made both for yourself and for sale. The training video is recorded in the format of an animated drawing with already made dimensions and time-tested technologies. The course is divided into 11 logical parts. In their sequence, we lay out a ready-made technical process according to which such aqua products are assembled in our production. During the manufacturing process, you will learn many practical skills. This is work with metal, wood, composite materials, work with acrylic. You will learn how to connect powerful LEDs to the controller, master the basics of wiring. Also, you have to practice in pneumatics and hydraulics, sealing joints, mastering different materials for their processing and reliable gluing. You will learn how to assemble cases yourself that are not inferior to those made in production. With all this variety of tasks, the assembly will not be difficult, but will be interesting, because you can order the manufacture of a part of the components from the sellers of the material according to the sizes indicated in the drawings. Welcome to our course. I sincerely wish you the pleasure of doing what you love.